Well, what do I have for review with myself today? I'm going to unbox the iPhone 17 Pro for all of you to tell you what the device looks like. Review would follow soon, but first let's take a quick look at what this device looks like. Well, I have got the silver color here, 512 GB for review. I shall review it for all of you and tell you what I feel about this one. Well, a design change is what we have anticipated, talked about, all leaks. That's what the design change looks like on the face of it. Let's unbox it and see. That is actually honestly the biggest achievement for the iPhone this year, I must tell you. Oh well, that does look interesting. It does look different because it's been high time that we've been wanting a change on the device. So well, let's slip it out for all of you. This looks nice. You know, actually, the difference of material used and the way the Apple designing pops out at the back, if you're not one of those who puts a cover, then this is going to make you feel good. Very different from the predecessor. Very surely telling you that. Yes, this is not a titanium built, so that's another change out there for you. This is something where I'm having a look at it for the first time and personally liking it a lot. Well, let's flip the screen and open it up for you. Neat, clean screen that you have, of course. And the silver color always has been, you know, the white and the silver when were introduced by Apple in the very beginning. It always looks nice. It goes with the scheme of the entire brand. I must say, I certainly like the look of this way more than the latest orange favorite for sure. But let's switch on the device for you. But the very first instance, obviously, it is a very expensive high-end product. Feels extremely premium in your hand. It is not a titanium build, it is an aluminium build, but this feels nice. It's a heavy phone. It's a heavy phone. Yes, it has it is nicely designed, keeping the whole aesthetics in mind the way it has always been. Slick, nice. I would say that this kind of camera designing does look balanced, more or less. Different is actually the word to go for because that's what making it more attractive. Now, I would just simply say the bezel has become more and more, it is over the years, it's just becoming insignificant. The least you can see, the sides are well rounded, well curved around so that you get as much screen space as you can get for yourself. So that is the very first look of the iPhone 17 Pro here for you in the silver color, which has tinges of white over here, which makes it actually look nice. Well, inside the box, you get yourself the wire and you also get a pin. And do we get anything else? No, that's all that you get for yourself here. You, on the phone over here, you have a scanning option. You can scan your option for any more information that you want onto your device. So, well, the first look of the device, for any Apple user, for anybody who's been using Apple devices for a long period of time, this does make you feel good because it is slightly different. The silver color is attractive. That's what I have a review with myself, and I feel this is nice. The white stock at the back, actually, you know, if you slip it around a little, it gives you a little tinge of silver. It feels nice and white. The logo is well placed onto the center. This feels really nice. If you're putting a cover onto it, no finger marks. Great. If you put a cover onto it, obviously this would feel different, but if you don't put a cover onto it, I think this would look very nice. Only after a bit of usage can I tell you that is it going to get any stains and marks. Because we tend to leave our devices like this and we do observe that you do get scratches and marks pretty quickly. That we'll have to see. The first look of the device looks nice. It looks pretty, neat and tidy what they have trying to achieve with this. Usability aspect, how good is the AI onto this? How well is the battery going to last and how good it is going to be when I actually shoot some videos onto it? And the zoom lens, is it actually really that good? Well, I'm going to tell you all in the review, but with the very first look of the iPhone 17 Pro, it's quite good.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.